boys and girls, if you have your cursive packet, your cursive writing packet, turn to page 34. We're going to go over page 34 and page 35. So page 34 has the letter U, and you may have already seen this, but I thought it wouldn't hurt to go over it again. The letter U starts here at the bottom where that dot is, goes straight up to the middle line, back down, then up again, and then down. That's how you make the U. Okay? So again, you start here on this bottom line. You go up, make the U, and then down. You can make several of them across your paper. Down at the bottom on page 34, writing the cursive U, it has some letters connected, because you'll be writing words where the letters are connected. So you'll have a U and then a U, like that. Two U's together in cursive. Now if you have to, it's helpful if you trace the letters. You trace the letters, it'll help you. Here's the H. We haven't done the H for a while, so there's the H and then the U. So again, the H would start at the bottom. You go up like you're making an L, a little loop, straight down, straight back up till you get to the dotted line, then a little hill. The H goes like that. So the H and U together would go like this. Okay? Then there's a U, and then the T. Remember, the T goes to the top, comes straight back down on that same line, cross it at the dotted line. Again, UT, U is up, and then up again, and the T's all the way up. Right down across the T at the dotted line. It also has U and an I. So you need to practice writing those several times. Write U's across here on all three of these lines. Write double U's, HU, UT, and UI. Okay, that's page 34. Now, if you have a separate sheet of paper, you don't have the packet, that's fine. Just practice on that. Some paper with lines. Okay, if you do happen to have the packet, I want to flip over. See, page 35 is the lowercase letter E, and then look at all the words we can write. Okay, the lowercase E, you start on that dotted line, or you start on the bottom line and go to the dotted line. You're going to make a little loop. So you make a little loop like that. Now some kids say, well, it looks like the L. But see, the L is skinnier and goes all the way to the top. The E goes only to the dotted line. So you start on the bottom line, only to the dotted line when you make your loops. That's the E. And then you get to write words. You have T going all the way up, E, L, L, and then pick up your pencil and cross the T. Notice the T and the L's go to the top line. So you start on the bottom line with the T. You go all the way to the top, back down, E, L, L. Then you pick up your pencil to cross the T. Then you get to write the word he. So you have the H and then the E. So the H again goes all the way up, straight back down. Then to the dotted line you make the H and then the E. See how the letters are connecting. Then you have the word heel. If I'm going too fast you can stop it, practice, play it again. It's a short video. Here you have the H. Again, you notice I'm tracing it because that helps me learn how to do it correctly. So you have the H, the E, E, and then the L. All those letters connect. And I think with cursive you tend to even write faster because you don't have to keep picking it up and starting all over on the letter when the letters are connecting. So you've written 3 words there. Down here it wants you to practice writing the E's together. So you have one E and then another E. If you think about it, there are a lot of words that have double E's in them. So you'd have E and then E, and then E and then E, like that. Okay? And then for the kite, again, it doesn't help at all to just trace. The, and then kite. Just trace the letters. Okay, the, you go straight up, straight back down, with the T, then the H, then the E. Then you pick up your pencil and cross the T. With the K, it's like how you start the L and the H. You go up, And then down with the K, you go in and then out for your K, and then I, T, E. Pick up your pencil when you're done with the word. Cross your T and dot your I. Then you can write the kite here and the kite here. So you get a lot of practice writing those words. And we have 3 words. We have little, elk, and teeth. So we can go L, I, T, T, L, E. Then I would pick up my pencil, cross my T's, and dot my I. So it would go like this. Here's your L, I, T, T, and then L, E. Pick up your pencil, cross your T's, and dot your I. And you have elk, E, L, and then K. And there's teeth. There's a word, for instance, that where you would have the 2 E's together. You have the T, and then the E, E, T. And I didn't trace the elk, but you could trace the elk. So T, you're going to go T, E, E, and then T, and then H. Pick up your pencil and cross your T's. Okay, so practice those letters. Practice the U on page 34 or on an extra piece of paper that you have lines on. Practice the E and practice all those words on extra paper or on your cursive writing packet. Okay, it's fun learning to write cursive. All right, thank you, boys and girls.